When it comes to taxes, most of us are easily divided into one of two camps. Either you're there, return in hand on New Year's Day, or you play beat the clock with the April 15th deadline. For those of us in the second camp, and there are a lot of us, the window of opportunity closes a little bit more every day. But there's still time to file on time. And in fact, the options for how to file are still wide open.
In fact, the New York City Department of Consumer Affairs is offering free tax preparation services. And whether you need the one-on-one service of a pro preparer, or help saying that, or want to fill in the blanks online from the comfort of your own computer, they've got you covered. And here to tell us about the options and how you can take advantage of the free tax preparation this month and general financial literacy all year is Grace Lewis, the Senior Program Officer for the Department of Consumer Affairs Office of Financial Empowerment. Thanks for joining us today,
Thank
Grace.
you.
All right, Aaron, we're both in the second camp.
We are
so
definitely,
guilty.
admittedly so, yet again for third year in a row.
Tax season is sneaking up on us.
It is sneaking up on you, but there's still plenty of time. There's more than a month left in tax season. Some people might know it. There's an extra 3 days in tax season this year. Yes. It's a complicated story around Emancipation Day and the IRS being closed on April 15th, which means you have through April 18th.
They close on April 15th.
Yes.
What?
Yes.
Where are they going?
On vacation, I guess.
The point is we get the extra
Right.
3 days.
Yes.
So what are the tax preparation services that the city is offering for those who are unaware?
So for those who may not know this, they probably qualify for free tax preparation services through NYC Free Tax Prep, which is the city's free tax preparation services. If you earned less than $62,000 last year, you can file your taxes either online at home, going to nyc.gov/taxprep, or in person at one of 200 sites throughout the city with an IRS-certified VITA TCE volunteer preparer.
Very cool.
Yeah.
So these are real legit people who've been through the course and know how to prepare your taxes.
Exactly. They've been through training and they have an approval rate that's higher than most other preparers.
And we just had a slide before where you can find the folks with those approval rates. There are over how many sites this year?
Over 200 sites in all 5 boroughs. Here in Brooklyn, there are 54 sites, so there's probably one in your neighborhood.
You know, I have to say, that is an amazing amount of sites. But, you know, as you walk through Brooklyn or Manhattan, you see that there are a number of tax preparation places. There's almost as many tax preparation places as there are bodegas sometimes.
Right.
How do you protect people from scams and, you know, nefarious individuals who may misrepresent themselves?
The most important thing to know is that the IRS will not call you and they will not send you an email. If you get either of those cases, please call DCA. And if you have any other complaints about your tax preparation services, if you've gone to a pay preparer, you can call 311 and they can help you file a complaint with the Department of Consumer Affairs. The best way, though, to avoid that type of situation is to file for free with NYC Free Tax Prep by calling 311 to find a site or using our website to find a site that's near you.
Now, there's some people out there who actually do go money in hand, and like I said, they have that shoebox of receipts under their arm, and you walk into a place and you're essentially plugged into a computer and doing it yourself anyway. So there might be a stigma by saying, if it's free, I know the city's going to jack me up or steal my info.
No, our preparers are amazing. We get stories every day about how they're helping New Yorkers find out all of the refunds and deductions that they qualify for. Yep. They're even working with small business owners and those who are self-employed to handle those more complicated tax questions and are able to help even the most complicated, even some more complicated filers.
And even if you're not a native English speaker or you don't have that fluency at all, they've got you covered as well.
Exactly. When you go to our website or to 311, you can even look for the services that are available in the languages you need, whether it's Spanish, Russian, Chinese, or Korean, or Bengali. We have languages, all languages served.
You know, I tell myself every year that I'm going to get more organized. I do, and at the last minute, I'm pulling everything. I have it, but it's not organized. What do you say to people? How do you get people to sort of come in throughout the year, not just at tax time, to sort of gain these financial literacy habits that they can make this a little more easier process? Basically, I'm trying to get myself prepared for next year.
Well, you know, the New York City Department of Consumer Affairs Office of Financial Empowerment has you covered there as well. We have our financial empowerment centers throughout the city. There's over 30 in I believe all 5 boroughs, and you can make an appointment at a financial empowerment center by calling 311 for free.
I just want to make sure.
Yes, sorry. Thank you for
free. So just put that
calling out the really important point.
Right now.
For free, and our financial counselors can help answer your questions, help you budget, and help you get in a better position so that next year at tax time, you're in a really great place.
I kind of start now.
Yeah.
Yes.
And this is what you do on the daily. It's not like you get energized on March 15th and it's like, for a month I'm going to work. You help people to make good choices all year long.
Yes, the financial empowerment centers are open year-round. We actually have tax sites that are open year-round, so if you are someone who's running a little behind now, you file for an extension, you can still go to a couple of sites throughout the year.
You know, doing your taxes can be so frustrating, as you can see from the face of this young lady right there. How do you tell people to sort of calm down, to, you know, to not be so frantic?
I think the main thing for calming yourself is to know that there is trusted professional filing that the city is making available to you. Be prepared, go online. So in addition to being able to find a tax site on our website, there's a list of every document that you need. You can check off that list.
I like checklists.
I do too. So you can know what files you need, who do you need to call in case you've lost your form. And it's there to help you.
And I've heard a little bird told me something about you guys partnering with the NYCID. There's some incentives there.
Yes, so what's really great is that if you have an ID NYC, you can go to a tax prep site and use that to file your taxes, because you do need identification to make sure that someone's not stealing your refund. And at some of our sites, you can also use that same ID to open a bank account, put some of your refund in savings. That's a very key thing, and be able to have better financial health.
Okay.
And how much is it, Aaron?
Free 99.
Exactly.
Help you hold on to your well-earned money.
As long as you can.
Exactly.
Absolutely. And there's 54 locations in Brooklyn.
There are 54 locations in Brooklyn, open evenings and weekends as well.
Phenomenal. Thank you, Grace.
Thank you.
You made tax time very easy for us.